Jean-Michel Basquiat was an American artist who rose to success during the 1980s as part of the Neo-Expressionism movement. He was born on December 22, 1960, in Brooklyn, New York. His mother was of Puerto Rico descent, and his father was from Haiti. His mother encouraged his love of art from a young age. She used to take him to the art museums in New York City and enrolled him as a junior member of the Brooklyn Museum of Art. As a teenager, Basquiat continued to explore different styles of art and started making art on the streets. He painted buildings in Lower Manhattan, and people started to notice his art and wonder who was behind it. In 1980, Basquiat's art was featured in a group show. His work stood out because of its unique style. It was raw and powerful and told stories about important issues like race and social injustice. He used words and symbols and images to communicate his feelings and ideas. Soon, Basquiat's art started to become very popular. He became one of the youngest artists to ever exhibit at the famous Kessner Gesellschaft Gallery in Germany. He also became friends with the famous pop artist Andy Warhol, and they collaborated on many art projects. Basquiat's art was different and new. It was vibrant, bold, and full of emotion. It made people stop and think. Even when he became famous, Basquiat never forgot where he came from. He used his art to shed light on the struggles of people in the Black community and the injustices they face. This made his work even more important and relative. Let's take a moment to look at the work of Basquiat. Notice the bold colors, symbols, and abstract shapes found in many of Basquiat's works. Sadly, Basquiat died at the young age of 27 on August 12, 1988. Even though his life was short, his influence on the art world was huge. Today, his paintings are some of the top-selling contemporary pieces sold, and many have sold for millions of dollars each. His art continues to be celebrated around the world and serves as an inspiring message for young artists to be brave and use their voices to make a difference. Jean-Michel Basquiat's story teaches us that it's never too early to start pursuing your passion. He teaches us to be bold in our creativity and to use it to make a statement. Through his art, he showed the world that everyone has a voice and that art can be a powerful tool towards making change.